Hi, this is Emilia Arau at Avail Homes Group and Pacific Union in Los Angeles. I am here at my open house in Mar Vista, and I want to show you a quick video so you'll see how it feels, because the photos are great, but never like coming in person. So here's a video in the meantime while you get here. Hello. All right, so we enter here. It's gonna be quick. I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. Great ventilation. All the frames and doors are custom made. Open floor plan. Well, you have one bedroom to this side. Custom made closets. Custom made doors, and one bathroom here. Custom made everything. It's truly great. High ceilings. Everything is chemical free. Great natural light. Backyard. You can hear that it's so calm. So calm. Lots of potential here. You can put a pool there if you want. Custom made everything. You can put a deck here. And then you have the other side of the house. You step down to another bedroom. You have an outdoor shower in case you come from the beach, because it's 10 minutes away from the beach. You come from the beach and then you step into the bathroom, but I'll show you that later. Everything is energy efficient. High ceilings as well. Another custom made closet. Custom made steps. It's a great area. Second bathroom. This is a full bathroom. And this is where you come in from the exterior shower into your interior shower. Everything custom made. This is a great family area, family room, or with more light. Lots of windows. Super calm. It could be an office, it could be a family room. It can actually be a third bedroom if you want. So you see, this is 3775 Maplewood Avenue in Mar Vista. I hope to see you here. I'll be here Saturday 11 to 2, Sunday 2 to 5. Thank you, and I'll leave you with the information.